No, this is too messy. Oh, where should I put it? Today I'm gonna make a one pencil holder. And it will make my desk neat and clean. And my mom will be happy. So let's start, friends. So first I'm gonna make Giraffe Pen Holder. For the Giraffe Pen Holder, we need disc, glue, empty roll papers, and scissors, googly eyes, and orange paper and yellow paper. Peekaboo! Friends, now my giraffe pen holder is ready. It's ready. It's ready. Please subscribe, like, and share for more fun.